Hi Miriam, I'm making this video for you to just show you my user experience. Okay, I suggested you go to white, I think mostly because of this video is very rudimentary and I don't think it gives a strong introduction to your work. Um, I think it's huge. I mean, if you wanted to make it like banner size, just chop it. I think that might work better. But you've got a texture, you've got this video, you've got type on top an image, you've got the animation is actually you know tinted, and it's just a big button. It's not super impressive, but your work, on the other hand, is super impressive. And I don't think the front page is on par with your graphic design work. So I'm just trying to be honest here. I probably would eliminate that entirely. Or, like I said, chop it. Um, and your work just really pops. It's really nice. I like that you thought about the viewer. Um, I don't have any more suggestions for you. I think you're a terrific graphic designer. All right, let me know if you have any questions.